In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow with templates. We'll be working inside GoHighLevel, and I'll show you how to get into the workflow builder, choose the type of workflow you want to create, customize it, and then test and publish it so it's ready to use. To begin, open GoHighLevel. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation for the account. From there, click on Automation. This will take you to the Workflows area where you can create and manage automations for your business. When the page opens, go to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. At this point, you'll be asked to select the type of workflow you want to build. You can start from scratch, choose from templates, or use a company-based workflow. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want a completely custom process or a faster setup using a pre-built option. For this example, select Start from Scratch and click on it. Once the builder opens, you can begin adding new triggers. Triggers are what tell the workflow when to begin, so this is one of the most important parts of the setup. As you build, you can also edit the steps to match your exact business rules. That means you can modify existing steps, add new ones, or delete anything you don't need. This is useful because even if you start with a template or a basic framework, you'll usually want to tailor it to your own process. In this example, select Birthday Reminder, then choose a workflow trigger. After that, enter the workflow trigger name so it's easy to identify later. Giving your triggers clear names is a simple but helpful habit, especially if you plan to manage multiple workflows. Once that's done, click Save Trigger. Next, click on End in the Workflow Builder and then Add Actions. Actions are the tasks the workflow performs after the trigger happens. For this example, select Assign to User, then add an action name and choose the users you want to assign. Again, it's a good idea to use a clear action name so the workflow stays easy to understand when you come back to it later. After everything is filled in, click Save Action. Once your workflow is fully set up, the final step is to test and publish it. Testing helps you confirm that the trigger fires correctly and that the actions happen the way you expect. After you've verified everything looks good, publish the workflow so it can start running live. And that's how to create a workflow with templates in GoHighLevel.